Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And this morning we're looking at air exit ramps. This is on a particular 77 Tiger. But one of the things you notice is that we've talked about this before, is that these fiberglass ramps, as they age, they tend to collapse. And you can see right down here where that has collapsed very nicely and restricting the airflow. Same thing over on this side, it's that bowed shape. So we're going to be replacing both of these air exit ramps with new, much larger aluminum ones. But again, you know, with summer coming and the temperatures coming up across the country, now's the time to get down underneath your airplane and looking through your air exit ramps. You want to see a nice straight bottom and a nice smooth transition all the way across it. You don't want any curves or bumps where it's starting to collapse. So take a good look at yours before the weather gets hot and your engine's under a little bit more heat distress. So we hope you found this useful and informative. I'd like to thank you for watching our channel and have a good day flying your Grumman.